you've shown. Today marks the culmination of 2 years of planning and hard work by the faculty and staff at North Augusta High School. What started as 2 years ago as research into some of the most successful freshman academies in the state has been transformed into a program that promises foundation for success for our entering freshmen. An amazing amount of support has flowed from the community, the students, the teachers, and the district as we have worked to implement this academy. We look forward to the continued collaboration of all the stakeholders as we move forward into the school year. Although as you look around, you will see changes to the building which announce certain areas as Freshman Academy hallways. The Freshman Academy is really about so much more. This is an opportunity for North Augusta High School to offer a transitional year to students where they will receive the individual attention and support needed to achieve their full potential. The new Honors Academy will be one of the premier academic offerings in the area, with enrolled students having the opportunity to complete a full course of study in one of 7 honors areas. In the 2012-2013 school year, we'll be rolling out a new sports medicine program, preparing students to enroll in dual enrollment courses and advanced placement. We will be taking Spanish 1 to 8th graders for the first time ever at North Augusta Middle and at Paul Knox. And of course, our students will still have the access to our stellar athletics and our varied extracurricular activities.